Okay, this is how we're going to put together our air returns. This is our top tier for our air return. Keep in mind the side you want to see, the side facing down at you from the ceiling. At this point, we want facing the ground. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is take 4 of my buttons. I'm going to take one for each corner and pop them into the holes. Make sure they're going all the way through. Okay, now that I've put in the 4 buttons into my top tier, I'm going to go ahead and turn my top tier over. I'm going to grab my 4 extenders, and I'm going to put those on each one of those buttons that I just installed. Now I'm going to grab the remaining 4 buttons, place them off to the side, and grab my bottom tier of our air return. I'm going to place it on top, lining up those extenders with the 4 holes on this bottom tier. I'm going to take my remaining 4 buttons, and I'm going to go ahead and place them in the holes.